We are on a mission this week to get the cottage and property ready to start building, and there is so much demo work to be done. I've set up meetings with builders all next week, so with the help from Romeo and my dad, we are ready to tackle some big demo projects.
We're starting some demo! You guys saw last video that Romeo is here somewhere. We already kind of started working on tearing down this craft room and sunroom adjacent kind of room. So you're gonna see us demo for like 3 days straight. Welcome. We gotta make a game plan. So you wanna start in this room, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this room is the craft room. That's all, there used to be the porch. You can see the outside of the house right here. This is the outside of the house. So then once we get this room done, we can go into the sunroom, so this is all out of the way. So we gotta take down some shelves. Demo day is always exciting. I don't even know, what the heck is this for even? Like, what was this for? So our goal, save the windows. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Woo! High five on that one. That was a good decision. Okay, I gotta get these windows off. So we didn't take the trim off of the front part of the window. I didn't quite know how to remove it, what the best way was, whether to start inside or outside. I now know start outside and then do inside. Maybe. I haven't tried this, so I'm not sure. Very heavy because of all of the weights. So we just left it here. We just covered it up so the glass doesn't get broken while we keep breaking down the rest. Too bad for a day's work. Oh, it has creases all on my face. Didn't take any of the posts out supporting the roof because we want to do the sunroom first and then kind of take all of the pieces out at one time. So we'll do that next. Whoever pooped, I stepped in poop out here. I think it was my little kitty that's wandering around here. Hi. Welcome back to day 2 of just, you know, demolishing things. So we got the craft room pretty well done yesterday. I'm very happy with our progress, but it isn't in there. We got the sunroom to do. It's a little later in the day today, so we're gonna work until sunset and see what we can accomplish. But there's a lot of windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 windows that I wanna save on that sunroom. Even though some of them have broken panes of glass, we can totally replace the panes of glass as long as we save the windows. I have planned out where all of the windows are going to go in the new floor plan design. So here is my mood board that I've been working on just to have something down here to keep inspiration top of mind. Here is our floor plan, and next to each window I have where they're coming from. These 2 from the craft room are going in the kitchen on each side of the stove. They're gonna go in the kitchen, so I'm gonna write those on there now. I'm going to put some masking tape on the windows, and with a Sharpie I'm gonna write their location so that I remember. I don't know if it's gonna be helpful later on down the road or not, but it's worth a shot. I mean, it's just masking tape. Now I'm gonna test out my theory about removing the outside trim first and then the inside trim around a window. They just came out in one big piece on the other one, so I'm not sure. Probably, I don't know how that's gonna work, but maybe I'll find a better solution. So you guys will know if you ever remove some windows. My weight for the window is already off on those. Definitely needs some repairing.
Can you hold it? Can you hold it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, I have the weight still. You have to set it down. Just, can you take the weight?
These weights is what's heavy.
I know. That's the only thing that's heavy. Making some major progress. But I gotta take the door off. We got all of the windows out. And all the walls. You got all the walls out too after the windows. The windows were hard. This door is in really bad condition on this side. This was the only door that I didn't know if we could salvage. We're gonna keep it back there anyways, but I don't know about this one. After a hard day's work, are we working or lounging?
Done for the day.
So it's been a few days. Romeo is already back in LA. He had to go back for work, but he helped me with so much demo. So that was like so good. So all that we have left in those 2 rooms are the floor and the roof. That wasn't gonna be something that we could do by hand. So my dad yesterday was like, make a list of all of the bigger things that you need help with that you can't do on your own, and we'll go over there and tackle it. So I made a list. We have haul off all of the concrete. It's either broken in the front and I don't want concrete out there, or it's in the back and it's underneath the house and underneath the addition that we're gonna be adding on. My parents actually have a purpose for it. Since they bought Fox Run, they're gonna use it for something. I don't know, my dad said something. So he's gonna take it up from here and haul it to Fox Run. So we're reusing all of that material. Pull up and knock down light posts. So there's also a lot of poles in the way of the addition, so we've gotta clear all of those out. The hot tub has to go to the street. It's gonna be free for somebody.
I think it still works. It's free. They can test it out and they can move it. I just want it off the property. So we're gonna move that out. We're gonna pull off the roof to the craft room and the sleeping porch that Romeo and I demoed. My dad's already here with a backhoe. We're going to clean up the tree line as best that we can so that we can start the burn pile. And then when all of that is done, my dad is actually going to do all of our house pads for the guest houses and for the main house addition. He's like pro at that. He's pro at so many different things. So we're gonna be meeting with builders, hopefully to give us bids on doing this stuff. So we got a lot of work to do. So let's get started. It's gonna go to a nice home. toys like this one. This concrete has been such a tedious process. Just like pulling it up and like pulling it off like in small amounts is so hard. Okay, we made a lot of progress. We got through the majority of the items on our list. So we got the hot tub on the street, someone was already interested in it, so hopefully they take that away. I'm not a hot tub person, so please just take it away from me. Got the lamppost down. We can lay the house pad for the addition on the main house, and got the tree line cleaned up a lot. I feel like that's gonna be something I work on over time. I'm obviously gonna put up a new fence. We're gonna clean out a lot of the debris that is along the left side of the property too. But my focus was definitely in the back so that we can get that burn pile going, so that we can lay the house pads for the guest houses. I'm excited about that. Also got all of the concrete back here gone. There's still the concrete in the front, especially on the walk-up, but that's okay. That's something that we can do later. It was really about the addition on the back. You still need to take down the porch and the craft room roofs. We're gonna cut up the floor. I actually wanna save that floor. I wanna save everything that I possibly can, just in terms of not having to buy it again. Anything that's salvageable, I wanna reuse in some way. We're gonna use any of the tin roofs that we can, like the large piece that we took down from the little shed porch. There's still so much to do, but we made tons of progress. And what I'm starting this week is I'm meeting with builders. We're talking through the guest cottage stuff. I need to start making design decisions about the guest cottages, like in terms of what roof, what siding, how I want the fireplace done, nail down the floor plan, get it drawn up, have it ready. Where are my plugs gonna go? All of that stuff is gonna be happening this week. And I wanna start picking finishes for that too, because those projects are going to be really accelerated while we take our time with this house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this big demo days video. I can't wait to kind of see my mood board start to come to life. I feel like we're in this stage right now of just removing everything and demoing everything so that we can get ready to build. So the next step, we're demoing this room, the inside walls, like the bathroom that's in there. We're gonna work on that next, and then all of the guest cottage design finishes. So if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you know exactly when I upload. Every Sunday here and over on my vlog channel every week. So I do have another channel. You can check out all the behind the scenes, more content that I don't put in here. We just did a huge blooper reel of all of the outtakes and bloopers from these videos that we've been doing on the house, and I laughed so hard. So go check that out if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys. I love listening to the birds here. And the bamboo sways in the wind and it sounds like the ocean. It's so pretty.
You're supposed to jump into me!
I got so